Guys, can you have a rose talk? Guys, can you have a rose
Yeah,
talk?
one rose, please.
Guys, I want to guys, can you have a rose?
One rose,
Thanks.
guys.
Oh,
One rose,
Katie.
guys. One rose, guys.
Thank you, Katie.
One rose,
Guys,
guys.
one rose.
Three roses, one rose. One rose.
Oh, thank you, Tando. Meli, thank you, Tando. Tando,
One rose.
Guys, on the doubles we must reach 500, guys.
Guys, abantu bakazandi, they are trying to do something, yabo. Tando nyakwazi wena. Uqala nespeed guys, mangikayike ngithi at times 2 on the speed.
Nikki, thank you.
At Meli, guys, times 2. Guys on the speed, guys on the speed. Guys on the speed.
Times 2 people.
Guys, everyone on the speed.
Times 2 guys. Times 2 guys.
Guys, we must reach 500.
Yes, wow. Thank you, Tando.
Let's reach 500, guys.
Shut up, man. Hey, shut up. Thank you, Tando. H Meli, where are you? Guys, everyone on the times 2. Hey, shut up, man. Hey, says Nangrasena. Guys on the times 2. Thank you, Tando. Next one, Tando. That's why I need to call an speed. I know you are my rose aqua paid. Oh, Meli with the perfume. Thank you. Shut up, guys. Shut up. Yo, shut up. Thank you, Tando. That's why I tell Tando call an speed. You are the queen of crystal roses. They don't know you. That's why I tell Tando, I know you. Call an speed. Yabon, yeah. Ngoba nyaza ama rose wakho apheli, my queen. We are forever roses. Thank you, Meli. Ngiyabonga Ntando. Thank you very much, Nkosi yami. I know you, Ntando. Tabs apose yami iglove. Iglove. Sale silisebenzisa iglove. Sibashaye kakhulu. Guys, sizofaka iglove ne. Guys, iglove lizovela lapha. Before uzofaka igift, you press on the glove. Bese iglove lizothi select gift. You select 1 donut or 2 donuts or 3 donuts. Tabs afaka iglove pose yami. Yes, guys on the glove. Guys, before faka iglove, gift, you press on the glove, you select 2 donuts. Guys, everyone on the glove. Guys on the glove, okay. Guys, let's glove. Guys, let's glove. Tabs are it. It's shy. Oh shit, on the glove. Guys on the glove. Thank you, Tabs. Guys, everyone on the glove. Tando, thank you. PS Guabo, Tando. Guys, everyone on the glove. Shaile. You ladies are smokeless. Very, very smokeless ladies. Beautiful for nothing. Very smokeless. Ntando ngiyabonga, Meli ngiyabonga. Tabs aphoza yami. Hayi ngamadanko but yazini izandla zidlula isikhanda shem. Njengoba ubona sidlula ikhanda namanje. Azisadlula ikhanda nje yami. Good night iphoza yami Nkosi yami. Hey. Sizosala ngikukhumbula Nkosi yami. Bazonginyela kabi yabo. Ngizosala ngikukhumbula noma igame iqala. Ungangishaya ngegift yokugcina igame iqala bhuti wami akunankinga bese ngizosala ngidila nawo. Untando ukhona noMeli ukhona soqeda ngabo. Nethi gift ye first speed kuphela bese untando ukhona nabo. Thank you Ntando. Meli ngiyabonga Nkosi yami Meli. Tabza Poser of the posers. Noma ningathini iposer. Noma ningathini iposer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mani ngatolisanga
so much. Thank you.
Guys, first gift. Guys, we start with a donut and guys, first gift on the channel.
Guys, can you please reach 500 and keep them quiet?
Guys, first gift on the channel.
Streets, I'll check it now. I'm
having a story.
500 quiet game.
20 times 3 as slowly TikTok namhlanje. Guys, first gift 20 times 3.
Guys, first gift is 500.
Times 3 guys. My queen. Thank you Tando. How mama Tanko poza yami. Hawu Gatsheni ngiyabonga Nkosi yami Magatsheni bashayeni kakhulu. Ungabayekeli Magatsheni bashayeni Nkosi yami hawu. Wema. Tando Mbatshelile ukuthi wena uyiqueen yama crystal roses abangikholwanga. Uthaphelo Mbatshela ukuthi uzobashaya abamkholwanga. ni smokeless lady. Ni smokeless. Yes, ni smokeless. Ntando. Kache. Yeah, Ntando nasi speed ne. Ntando as activate speed. Bese lama crystal rose ne. Uqala ngawe speedini futhi. Hawu, Tabza poza yaka, poza of the posers. Uzongizondisa ngabantu Tabza yabona. Sebeqalile manje abasangikhulumisa bathulile.
Yeah.
Shut up.
So, only one rose, people.
Ntando faki Rosely 1, faki Crystal Rosely 1 best speech. Makacheni. Makacheni. Faki Rosely 1, Crystal Rosely 1 best vuleli speed.
One rose, people. Chandin Kani Rosely 1.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate this
Only one
speed?
of the Rosely 1 gets activate this speed.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate this speed? Guys, ngaze lose this
One
speed.
of the rose.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate this
Oh,
speed?
Nyabonga Tasha.
Guys, anyone with a rose to ubongani because I'm on respect 980 something yeah man. Out thank you Tabs nkosi yami. How kanina nenzani manje mamo? Anisa respect 984 yampela kusi10 le.
Uthe wona sithule nje.
Ni wona uyafakaza ucela ama rose 1 manje. Ukhuluma uyi1 njani manje ngapha already nibemele nithule wena usabhizi ngeke ngikhulume ngiyi1 ukhulumani shut up. Ungishaye kakhulu emini mamo yezwa. I times 3 futhi. Guys only times 3. Guys only times 3. Guys only times 3 nkosi yami yo. Bashaye ngesikho. Guys only times 3. Guys only triples. Guys only triples nkosi yami mojalela sawona. Guys only triples. Guys only times 3. Oh Tabza Jaya me by king with the Guys only times 3. Makacheni ukuphi guys everyone on the triples guys akusekhona something on the triples vele sithi 2k guys akusekhona something sithi vele sithi 2k nkosi yami sike sibe ama 2k guys on the times 3 guys on the times 3 guys one last gift on the times 3 guys one last gift abantu bakazandi they are coming guys one last gift on the times 3 guys one last gift on the times 3 hayi shut up mamo times 3 guys yana ngeke nenze lutho ni akubhedi akubhedile yekelani nkosi yami akubhedile shem awutabza nkosi yami makatsheni Ntando ngiyabonga thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen for us akubhedile ukubheda bedile nkosi yami bedile yes number 6 akubhedile ubhedile nkosi yami akubhedile wuwi then hama Tabza shaya kokota konke lokho amakhanjana ongasebenzi kokota konke amakhanjana ongasebenzi konke ngamastenama mangabe kukhona kufake konke sibashaye ngamastenama stename konke befuna sishaye round figure ithi 1.5 ibe nesisothanyana esithe ukuthi 1.5 sithi ukuthi bathi mangithi ngishona le ngolufaka khona omunye onesibongo esithe nkomo esivele ngapha ngigcine mbona ngathi usonkomo ngiyasho ukuthi uvelile ayisonkomo angafika uTabza sikahambile nkosi yami uzongenzani awuTabza poza yaka poza of the posers king of the kings awu ngiyabonga nkosi yami Tabza nje yami hayi isondo liyajika mama ingadlali asise kuseni phela manje it's not in the evening ngiyakhoza
Loze encedisa ukuhleka.
asise kuseni ma
Let's play together guys.
Zandi wozala
Tap. Ngathi ungamphosela imani gane.
ngathi uthi ngathi guys first gift
Kodwa Nkosi.
guys first gift anytime
First gift on times 2.
Guys, first keep on time.
Yes, again, I'm tired of being punished, yo.
We play together, guys. City times 2, we play together, guys. I'm getting it big, guys.
Guys, first keep on time too.
So,
I'm punished.
times 2, guys. Times 2, guys.
Doubles, guys. Can I have one money gun? Musa,
Guys, first keep on time too.
I have a money can, guys. No mama hand heart. No mama donors, guys.
Akulekan sokhulu kucoca sonke kule game.
Please help me win. Stop saying yo. I don't even know what you're saying. I did. That's what you wrote. I'm being serious. You make me win. Yo.
We are all
Send the money
smokeless. Hey, says smokeless, man. Yo.
guys, tap on the screen for me.
Guys, let's play together, guys. Bonus missions and then I'm rolls, guys.
Oh, wait. Now I'm Kabelu ngesonto sebenza night.
Play together, guys.
Kabelu ngesonto sebenza night.
Tap on the screen, guys. Tap. We all tap.
Let me win them this time around. Thank you.
1 rose, guys.
Let's wait.
Guys, Ngelane rose only one. Only 1 rose. Sipo. Only 1 rose, guys. Anyone only rose, guys. I'm positive rose. Bro. One rose, guys.
Activate
One rose, people. You got the rose only 1. Activate speed is that times 2. Well, I know search. What is doing that double?
Everyone, let's go, guys. Tap. It taps 2 of man. Yes. Now it's times 2, guys. Now it's times 2, please. Now it's double. Wow. Times 2. We are not late.
Cuckoo. Come on, give Tinkosia. Oh! Yeah, sure.
Suyazela yini?
Phela mina vele nginjalo mangatholanga ithuba lokukhuluma ngizemphathwa ebuthongo.
Yo, it was a busy wedding, ne?
Kunjani? Kusase right. Guys, can you all tap?
Are you okay though?
The smokeless.
Okay.
Eat something, take your meds, and go straight to bed, please.
Guys, can you all tap the
We'll
screen
see
and share the
TikTok
live?
All
tomorrow.
right.
Let's all share them. They are our people.
Thi awuzame phela hawu Nkosi yami. Ngithi nje mani ganinya.
Let's push, guys.
Lucky awuzame Nkosi yami angeke ngithi. Hawu. Hey, kodwa simakade.
Good night. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh, I thought it good night. Ngize ngithi hawu sulala kodwa. Good night too.
Guys, thank you for tapping, Kosiam. Guys, thank you for tapping. Plus, it's beating us.
Wama Rose.
Okay.
Where are your people, Lwazi? Ulwazi phela I think ulive emini ukuthola ukukhuluma kayi-1 ulakho ungcono bekakhuluma.
Nibukisa ngami.
Asibukisi ngawe la.
Bukisi
Why
ngawe.
not ungadisconnect uzogifta mina? Mina ngukhulumeni.
Ugifte ngani?
Zandi. Uzandi secabanga kakhulu. Zandi kuzolunga. Sasa nguwe Zandi ozokukhuluma nasithule no? Ujabula kantshintshwana. Not like ukuthi uzothula forever. At least uke wascreama ka-1 nje la nxa ungasawazanga ukukhuluma. But yena lana yeah. At least
Guys,
that's
let's
fine.
do 20 times 2. Guys, can you all tap the screen, guys?
Times two,
Let's do
guys.
20 times 2. Times 2,
Okay.
guys.
Akufani
Times two
nathi
people.
nawe silokusithula.
Times 2,
Ah,
guys.
thina lokho singene ku-live asange sikhuluma. Times 2 people.
Times 2, guys. Guys, we are losing times 2, guys.
Another thing.
Times 2 people. Neyazi into yabi ngixa ukuthi abantu abayi-60 kusobenzani bahleli kuphela.
Double, guys, let's go.
Hey people.
Someone help me, please.
Can you please guys help me? Let me win this match. Oh.
Times 2, guys. Katingoza, mama. Hamba nabo.
You like your welcome.
Ineka, Simon.
Usestudio yini Lwazi?
Thank you for the hand hug. I happen.
Guys, ngene ngikutsheliwe guys. Ngane bazaliwa. One rose people.
Guys, anyone with a rose 12 to the speed? Guys, can
One
you?
rose people. Ngani rose only one
Guys, anyone
guys.
with a rose 12 to the speed? Ne?
Guys, only one rose. I need only one rose.
Guys, let's go. One rose, please. Let's punish them. Let's punish them.
What do $6? Punish them. Ooh.
Sugar,
madam.
Sugar is here now. What you gonna do to me? Hi,
One rose
Sugar.
people. Let's punish them.
Punish you. We are punishing you.
Punish you, mama.
Sugar, welcome in. Can we all tap the screen, guys? We are on times 2 now. Whatever we
Guys,
have,
can you all?
Lwazi.
1K.
Lwazi we.
Yeah?
Usestudio.
Yeah, boo.
Okay.
Times 2, guys. Times 2.
Guys, we play together, guys.
Just feel welcome.
Guys, can you all tell the siblings?
Yeah? Uthini Lwazi? Yeah, ngiyafuna. Ingoma senginayo shoda ngestudio.
Times 2, guys. Times 2. Times 2. Are we doing ngoma sis?
Abazahleko la.
Hayi, mina ungangifaka ngendleko.
Sugar, how are you doing?
Kumele ngicula ke ngeke uzomza sithi ngicula itakla.
Hayi. Yes, studio wena. Zozwa ngani nolwazi sengikhiphi.
Ufuna ingoma ezaqhamula unyaka ozandi bekujayiva. Bethi
Abantu
yasha.
abanokhipha nkosi yami sinqamula inyaka.
Hayi ngiyokhipha shema.
Isithi isondo phansi. Ingqina phansi. Isondo phansi.
Yo.
Hayi nothi lezo.
Ingqina phansi.
Hayi lokho angichayi lokho angikwanisi ukuthi wena.
Ufuna ukhiphe ka December. Inyamiko nakushoti 6 gun. Inyamiko.
Thank you, Sugar. Thank you so much.
Guys, let's all play together, guys. Let's all tap, guys. We play
What is
together,
Shuka
guys.
doing that side? What is Shuka doing that side? Shuka.
Sugar is here
Let's
for
all
me.
play together, guys. Why are you doing this to me? Can't you see
Yamkhumbula
me?
ushuke mina. Akasena shukela manje. Bamhlafunile ngathi imfe. Bamkhafulela le ngathi umoba. Akasena shukela.
You don't know Sugar.
Ulapho uyakhuluma Nkosi yami we.
You don't know Sugar. Sugar, you didn't accept my
Tufuza sa baby sawubona. Sugar is no sugar now. The sugar was in the afternoon. Now it's night. It doesn't have any sugar. It's like a sugar can they shoot him and split it, split him that side. It doesn't have any sugar.
Keep quiet.
Let's play together, guys. Let's play together, people.
Soyibona ngabo level.
Fanele ngabe nithuli manje.
Ah. Dos.
Kodwa Nkosi yami
Lwazi. Nge-90.
Sugar, thank you.
Hayibo.
Manje nenzani nabo shukela nenzani?
Bangakuchaya ngama-rose la. Sumemeza.
Ngobani Joe?
TK.
Thank you, and a sugar, my sugar.
My sugar. Sokushaya sugar.
Ah,
Thank you, Shoga.
can go 18, 13, and 8.
Uthapela uthe is driving.
Bazofika ku-100 ungangijwayeli kahle.
Qala phansi ka. Uthe is driving endlini makafika endlini siqala phansi.
If you are guys, we are time 3 guys.
Time 3 guys, can we have a money gun?
Guys, can we have a galaxy or a lion on the time?
Uyacela mara nawe wafika ku-100.
Don't play together on this.
Guys, can we have a lion on the time? A lion.
We play together on this week, guys. Posan guys.
Can we have a
One
lion
money
on
gun on
the time?
triples,
Money
guys.
can guys.
There's a whole match.
Guys, any first time. Guys, anyone need a lion on the time?
People. Money can.
Times 3, please. Sugar! Another money gun. Oh, no. Another 10 hearts. It's not
Tap.
gonna count.
I got relax with
Someone
you.
10 hearts. Thank you, Sugar. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yabona mina mangiluza ngiphaphi njani uma sithulela ngisukela abantu mina.
Thula vele ngoba uhlele ku-0. Ha, ungathini? Ungabuya uthini?
Thank you, Nel Twitter.
Uhlele ku-0 ngempela.
It's fine mfethu, it's fine. Angizikhethelanga phela ukuhlala ku-0 mina.
We have another triple.
Naye enye inkinga abanye abayodlala. Badlala nini laba abantu?
Bapi.
Uphela no Ray.
Phela.
Uphela uyodlala i-official match futhi uzizwa amandla ne.
Helwazi la ngifuna ukuyodlala shem ngicela ukuthi ube igifter lami yazi ngizokubisela amacoin akho.
Abdul angiyona gift mina ngi-streamer. Abdul
Ngicela ustreamele. Ustreamise ke.
ngi-streamer njengawe mos.
Uyakhithika ustreame mina.
Guys, uphela kule viki ne unama universe out 21 plus 21 plus 33 this week.
Hey.
So it's 42 53 universes
Yeah.
in one
Nabanye
week.
asaze sithole ngisho neyi-1.
It's been a long time.
Ngoba ngiyazi
Yeah,
lokuthi
money
universe
gun. I need to punish them.
Hey,
And I need to do what they need to do.
Yabona i-universe ikhavara like i-TikTok
Times
yonke
3
mabe
guys, times 3.
kuba nabo nompopa abavala abozandi nami so becule bethi together forever.
Together.
Zoloku phupha ama-universe lana for the what? For the what? Thina sithole i-universe manje uyibona i-universe 900 million billion trillion please. Awufani lo 9 lo lapha awufani nalo. Mawuthi uyathatha ubheke kahle wakho utshekile uthe akusiyiwo lo. Hlala nithule lapho niyekuphapha. Shemi, you must keep quiet mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi awukwazi ukuthula wena.
How?
Nakho-ke niyayibona into engikhuluma ngayo. Niyayibona into engikhuluma ngayo. Leyo money gun leyo ngeke ize kuyise ndawo ngoba iscore asifiki ku-900. Asifiki nje ku-900. Whatever you are trying ningasijwayeli kahle. Hambani yolala.
Uba nayo lana. Uba nayo lana. Mdawini shu. Usukhona Mdawini. Vodlozo umhlathi ongehlathanga. Olathi nje sebeqhulula amehlo wathi imbuzi ephekwe lempondo. Selokhu ethe uyathukile phela. Hawu kodwa Nkosi yami Mdawini yabonga ukungivumela ke ngikhulume sho Dawuduna. Vodlozo. Bengaba kodwa Nkosi yami. Hayi lakhe ihlala kahle phela ubona ukuthi uvohlo siyenze. Asotheni lo khoma kulo 1 chatha 0 okay. Lakhe into uyaropa hayi lakhe. Hayi lakhe uyaropa. Phela abanye bakubone phela mawudabukisa. Hawu. Shame. Ubusathini ma ulwazi? Ubusathini? Huh? What were you saying by the way? Huh?
You mean by the way?
Kodwa nawe mazandi sho ungaba bazi 36 uzobamba umlomo. Ungabona ukuthi mina engihambe sesingena ubona ke university yami. Ithi shwa. Akuvelile nje phezulu uthi Shami. Darwin gifted Shami with universe. Naye ngeke ngithanda yazi mangikhuluma ngiyi1 so yazi I feel so special.
Thank you, my MVP. Thank you.
Ubusithini la kanti uthi wona uDarwin
mama mina ngizithulele nkosi yami ungangifake endabeni zakhe. Mama mina ngizithulele nkosi yami.
MVP umDarwin Lion. Phela umDarwin ufana lokuthi ungifte ngeLion because yena vele isename yakhe iLion.
My heart declining match.
Ani bensabonga phela.
Yeah, une right angithi siluzile. Une right yokuthi ayenze njalo siluzile
Please
phela.
help me with them.
What's the gift guys time 3
Time
yazi umDarwin
guys,
bayaphose imali zani ngo time 3 lahle lithule guys. Manje ngathi sithi time 3 imali guys. Lahle lithule ngikhulume ngiyi1.
Let's
Can
just
we
keep
have
on it.
one money gun, please, on triples?
Guys, can you have a Galaxy on triples?
Time 3 guys.
Guys, can you have a Galaxy on triples?
Mina ngicela iGalaxy ngicela imali guys. Let's play together guys. Let's play together.
Oh, sugar! Thank you! 9,000! However, 1K straight. Eh? Nenzani lapho nomDarwin oLion kanjani? Na usufana noLucky ezibiza sehleli ku1000. What is this? What the fuck is this?
Gifty.
Hey, please, not on this.
Please,
Kulesi akwenzi lokho. Hayi kanjalo, hayi la. Please. Go to sleep. Angazi ukuthi ngizofunani la ku TikTok lelo nizohlala inamba encane. Nenza niyaziphoqa. Sugar is sugaring right now. Uthi akusikho semini kunjani? Jackson, hi Jackson. This is my time to talk now. Finally. Oh, Sugar, thank you. They've been talking too much, especially Lucky. La for sec ndaba nonke man. Get out of here. One rose. Susa lo munye wakho wena ukopa amakhala. Asifuni ukubona. Asifuni nje ukubona. Don't want to see anything on the screen here. Khathele nina. Selokusile. Ndokumelwe yini ungaloku nqekeza ikhanda. Lizo. Thank you. I appreciate you, Sugar. Oh my God. Thank you. Sugar, you know what they've been doing to me. Even now that you just came in, they were continuing again. They never get tired. They never stop. They told me to get out of here.
Especially men.
Uspecial ngani? Uspecial ngani? Ubona ukuthi special njengoba uyathishanga ama-boosting gloves, so special man, please. This is not special school. Hlala lapho on your room 13. Empty room, empty house. Oh my God.
Wow. Oh my God. Oh. Phosanini futhi enye imani gani guys ngikwazi ukukhuluma ngi-free. Times 2 people. Bese ngithi ukukhuluma naye. Sugar, where are you, Sugar? Your sugar mommy is going harder. I'm gonna go harder to your sugar mommy. Times 2 guys. Times 2 people. Times 2 gift issue inkosi kubusisi. Times 2.
Yes. Sugar is here. Sugar is here for me. Sugar is saying. Sugar is so sweet. We are shibrika. You can't hold us. Ngeke nje silo sobambezelwa yini. Niyasibambezela. Yes, niyasibambezela. Hlanganisani ikoza at least ke nithi ukuthi kancane at least akufani. Sebenza ama boosting glove ke manje sekuphelile sebezoletha ama donuts. Yini inkinga yenu? Let's put finger hearts, guys. Finger hearts shy lama glove ukuthi angasebenzi. Khathele yini? They don't want to give us a chance. Kanti bayazi ukuthi baphelelwe manje. They have nothing. They cannot get to our score. Relax. Let us do our thing. You know how the queens are doing our things. You know? Niyasazi mos. Lokunshaya ngo-777. Kade nganibona nini ukuthi niyigebengu ngithanda ukudla okufaka o7 abangasili la. No shame laba. Shame uhlekani.
Yini inkinga yakho?
Uhlekani mina nginguwe ngabe ngiyakhala serious. Kunini uhleli la? Nomndawini useze uyazama nkosiyami kodwa akuvumi.
Dawini nothi mndawini.
Yena loyo.
Wow, thank you so much. Yena loyo. Oh, thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga Poza yami. Ngithelile Poza
Thank you
yami.
so much, my
Ngiyabonga
brother.
Tabza Nkosi yami. Kushilo ngathi labantu laba abantu abaninela wonke umuntu owinayo unyela mina.
Glove gift, ule glove, thank you so much. Linda Richard.
Wonke umuntu owinayo unyela mina futhi ambuka izikolo zabo.
No. Wena inkinga yakho ubususilwa ususitshela ukuthi thina vele ngasi ya disconnect. Usale wena nje. Ngoba phela ususezingeneli phezulu.
Soma seningishaya so nibona ngathi seniphumelele empilweni.
Guys, we have
Asiphumelelanga but uthe winner thina sange sibe nenkinga.
Mani shaya mina nibona ngathi
By
empilweni.
we play on the Speed is got times 2 guys, we play together guys. Speed is got times 2 guys, noma ino iposa ku Speed
Guys only
times
times
2. We play together times 2.
Mina ngizoba umazithulela ngifuna ngiqede ngami nidile ngami nibhodle nibe
times 2 guys.
Shut up. Thank you Tabza Poza. I'm shut up. Sek nginitshelila ngisho. Sek sugar. Yezwa. Nawe mama ngale ku gift yakho fu sek. Nanyanyisa la phizi niyawina nanginyela la. 3 games inyana kuphela ngama 1 point something. Sugar is here for sek sugar. Ngisaceda kunikhuza. Yeah. You are a tapero Tabs ngiyantshe Tabs. I gave you the information. Tabs uzobuya relaxani. But you think that I'm stupid. Shut up. Sugar. Where is Sugar now? Uphi unkomoza wena? Ekela uba serious ngathi sibone injection. Uphi unkomoza lapho? Zandi wathula ngathi yicwicwi. Bitwitwis. Guys, celi rose eli1 bezivule speed. Guys, fakela abantu beni rose. Manifuna ushame ekhulume mfakeleni rose. Activate speed. Manifuna uzande ekhulume. Thank you Poza yami. Mfakeleni rose. Sugar, put a rose to Lwazi. Sugar, put a rose to Lwazi and activate the speed and do your best. Yeah. Nkomoza. Guys on the time. Oh, it times 3 Nkosi yami. Wait, times 3 Nkosi yami on the triple. Shy. Nina ngishaya ngama 1 point nanginyela la mangicede. Shut up futhi. Ngezwabo. Anishaya nabo Nkomoza. Hey! Noma ningathi. Ngeke sebenze Sugar, where is you? Zanishaya bontombo. Lwazi uyaphapha. Special luck, let's beat special luck. Hey mama, where luck zangishaya. Zanishaya uThapelo nina. Uzanishaya noma sebuthongweni anishaya sebuthongweni anishaya vuka anishaya alala anishaya vuka anishaya geza. How Lithabo Nkosi yami with a rose. Oh, thank you Lithabo. Ooh, Lithabo. Thank you. Ooh, Lithabo with them finger hearts. Thank you Lithabo. Lithabo ngicela ungifakela ama-finger hearts amaningi nkosi ama-finger hearts kuphela Lithabo. Mangabe uyakhona. Finger hearts only Lithabo noma ama-donuts. I want to show these ladies that Tabza is the boss of the bosses. Yes Lithabo. Finger hearts kuphela Lithabo. Finger hearts kuphela sibapolish ama-finger hearts. Sibapolish. Yes Lithabo. Thank you Lithabo. Finger hearts. With them finger hearts. Yes Lithabo. Yes Lithabo. With them finger hearts. With them finger hearts. Yes, Lithabo. With them finger hearts. Phezu kwabo bethu abathule phezu kwabo. Lithabo finger hearts kuphela. Let's put finger hearts kuphela. Even though if you have donuts, Lithabo donuts on top of their smokeless heads. Smokeless chicken heads. Shaya mina ntombo. Woo! Shita. Phezu kwetime faka 2 donuts phezu kwetime vele. Hey nina ni smokeless nina hayi nkosi yami niyaspeeda nethi ukwina 2 games ana boza yaka lwazi ushuka nge900 yokuqala this is 900 wakushaya nge1000 this is 1000 nawa 1.6 nathi 1 point something wena noShami nichentana ngathi noZandini nginyela ninyela mina nina ninyela mina ama 1 point something nyana kayi 2 3 nyana 4 nyana Nyangnyela nini aniboni 1,600,000 Zandi wake up please look at my score 1,600,000 Shami sharap ne siyabonga number 4 order number 18 sugar is here mina ngidlali ngosugar mina angizwanga next ngoshukela mina I didn't hear anything ngoshukela mamo Unkomoza ngizwanga next ngonkomoza next ngizwanga next mina ngonkomoza angizwanga next ngamabantu bena ngizwanga next ani smokeless bontombo hamba noma ama streamer wasestradini nime estradini streamele estradini nothola ama MVP ahamba ngama ranger Aw Tabza Lithabo
Thank you so much. This is a Putiza, Brighton, Lerato, Constance, Billy Well, Linus, Happiness, Praise, Maposa. Thank you so much.
Laza ubonga abantu abathi.
Thank you so much, guys. I don't give up.
On the screen for me.
Yeah, I don't give up. I don't give up.
I'm not allowed. It's 500 quiet game, so I'm
Ninga give up. Ningishayeka ku. Don't give up.
I'm not allowed to speak.
At least nganishaya 4 games yabo. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngizocola ukula ama game engishaye kuyo. Melo sawubona. Esingasiphindi ngetime through hoy time soon zosina.
Guys, just together, guys. We play together, guys.
Ngafaka isibhamu phela ku time nigcina ukuthi play together guys first give time phela ngalithulisa ngicina ukuthi let's play together yakwazi nganithulisa ngicina ukuthi let's play together guys first give 20 times so
anything on times 2 everyone tap the screen for me guys tap the screen
thank you guys
awuntando with them roses lwazi hey mamo ngintshelini Tapelo Jaya mi Tabza Ntando the queen of crystal roses in the house level 11 and level 21 tabs Ntando level 11 king of crystal roses the queen of crystal roses in the building yeah Tapelo nizomhlonipha you respect very fucking respect. Thank you Ntando. Ngiyabonga makatsheni Muntuza nkosi yamona uyisithandwa wena. Awona uyisithandwa shem. Ama rose wakho siyawatshala yabo. We tshala them. Siyawatshala. Nika labafana ikhekhe labo. Anika labafana. Mamo. Ngithule nje ngibhekile ngilikhayele vele lingitshela udotweni vele ngizijulele la vele ngisafuna indaba zabantu angisazithandi mina. Yangbam Ngishawuzanda waphathwa itoilet same time angidlala awuthaphelo ibhoza nyamsaba Shawuzanda aphathwa amathumbu same time Nazi nizotshentshana mawubuya uzanda uhamba omunye phakathi kwaShami nolwazi nabe nizotshentshana ngetoilet Kwabona ushaya abantu beze becabanga ukuthi uthwele ya bese begcine ngifuna nize nithi uThabs uthwele nginishaye nize ngicabanga ukuthi uthwele lokho anishaye njalo nizothi hayi uThabs uthwele akasicolele nize nicolise inkinga nifuna ucolisa you don't want guys you are going on the oh shit you times 3 nkosiyami oh shit ezinhliziyo yami babhlungu yes oh guys cela iperfume ne noma 20 yama rose guys iperfume noma 20 yama rose to activate the speed ne guys cela iperfume oh shit awu boza yaka man boza yaka man mfuna nize nithi uthaphela uthwele enishaya awu olazo activate ngeDonald sugar sekabuyile usugar yelo azubuyile usugar ubani manje lo ufuna Lord King zawayo
The king is here, you can't touch us.
oh Lord King shut up usekmakwenza aba shut up asinandaba neking ya guys we are going on the times 3 thina uthaphelo yiking waye akana king edlule yena yeah mara yena ngeke noma ngingazama umfanisa no TikTok king ngeke kufane ne mara la kuyiking la uyena orulayo la yena ophethe la yena ophethe nabo king beni labo ba activate ngeDonald sibabhekile bengazama ukwenza anything fun sibabhekile Zandi wake up please Shami ngicela usmile lama ngicela nismile guys on the times 3 Lwazi don't try to do anything fun woo shut up ladies Lwazi please sorry chef guys on the times 3 ngisanibhekile nizama ukwenzani Hawu Shami inkosi yami Thaphelo yashaya madoda we awulazi uzoba change abo 3 uzoyenza so ufake ngapha ukhombe phansi ukhombe phezulu akusekho into ezokwenzeka guys one last gift on the speed guys one last gift on the times 3 yeah relax alwazi ayikho into ezokwenzeka Ntanda ukuphi on the triples inkosi yami ngama rose wakho amaningi inkosi yami on the time 3 bakazoyenza something magatsheni ani nabo ntombo relaxani inkosi yami uthaphela uliphethe kahle unithule unijuba umlomo nje wafaka iseletape wafaka isuper glue aw Madubane thank you Madubandlela nkosi yami ngiyabonga udemro ayazi ini uthaphela unenhlanhla kwangena uthaphela kuza nabantu abadala ngabagcina so uNtando uthaphela uhambile uNtando wahamba uthaphela uyabuya uNtando uyabuya amagatsheni ningayenzi so Madubandlela sawubona Madubazela ngicela ungishaya ngama rose amaningi ayisuka maningi ayithaphelo man tabza man nayitabza phezwa
Thank you, Mish. Mish, we're on a
Miss Smokeless ladies. How tabza danko ayi uDom namhlanje ngenzela usuku shem.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ngitsheli yazi mawuhamba.
Bridget Lerato Nova Sitho.
Akebashaya ngama money gun ku times 3 bese
Thank you so much guys.
abashaya ngama money gun ku times 3 bese
Thank you so much.
Money guns will help us lead. It's a punishment game, so we have to keep quiet if someone is leading. Kalan Pet. Thank you.
ngenza ngathi ne smoke
Malonjani openjani
times 2 cela nama rose kokugcina nkosi anibatshela ukuthi ngizothula guys first gift 20 times 2
guys, tap.
first gift 20 doubles
First gift guys is time 3 guys. We play on the split guys.
Lana Themba Mamani guys anazi.
Guys, let's play together guys. Time 2 guys. Time
Nithemba Mamani gun.
Time 2
Shut up.
guys.
Bozaya ka badunusele ngenja. Hey shut up mamo. Shut up. Niyadelela nini. Guys first gift 20 times 2. Badunusele ngenyashi. Wuwi. Zandi ngicishe ngathi bamshaye ngekhokhi naye kanti perfume. Phela ikhokhi yafana neperfume ikhala. Mayivela sokuba ngathi ikhokhi. Shit awuthabza thaphelo bhoza yami asebeyakwazi. Ngeke besayini nyamanje thaphelo ngeke nizothula du. Lento benikhuluma ngothaphelo nizothula du. Yeah. Uyazi lento le man semshadweni. Bathi ukhona ongavumelani nalomshado forever keep quiet and die with it. Yiyo le nizoyenza manje. Nize ngeke niphinde nikhuluma uthaphelo. Nithi nywe thabza nywe. Yini manje le ngathi inyoka manje senivulela inyoka ngoba niyadliwa ngathi khotha something hlap yini le khona obukela iphone. Guys, can we have a roast to activate the speed? Guys, anyone with a roast? Senibukela iphone. Awubuza yaka mfuna bekusalute namhlanje boss. Zandi, we see you are coming ne. You won't do anything. Awu Matubandlela, thank you with them roses Matubandlela. Matubandlela ne masiceda kuvula times 2. Ngicela ufakela ama donuts Matubandlela ngoba ngiyabona abantu bakalwazi ba activateile bakazandi ba activate mara ayikho into abazoyenza. Ah, shut up Shami. Bantu bakashami ngicela nifakele uShami rose sokuyisono ngaye Nkosi yami. Bantu bakashami activateelana uShami ngoba ngale komakhelwane ba activateini. Mara ayikho into abazoyenza. Awuthi ngirelax ngeke ngibone ukuthi ispeed nifuna ukusenzani kahle kahle. Zandi nolwazi nifuna ukwenzani ngespeed. Navela abantu bakashami bangibhora bathanda icontent kaShami kuphela mara bafuna umenzela iqiniso. Mawungena nkomoza la abayenzi ne sebekuphendula bathi ubani bathi ubani usankomo. Bangayenzi so. Guys on the speed abantu bena. All right poza yami akunankinga Thabza poza yami. Guys, I ningazama ukwenza noma bengafaka imani gana abantu benu you won't reach. Don't try don't. Ngiyabonga poza yami. Noma bengasala bengishaya manje don't try am. Don't try am nibhekiwe. Don't try am. Guys on the times 2. Guys on the times 2 singeneni says. Ngathi ngiyabona so ngene enye into la ezonishiya nithukiwe nishaya uvalo. Guys on the times 2. Why speed siba siningi kanti abantu mabe smokeless siba nesikhathi esiningi boma ampur 1 minute yonke. Thaphelo nizomhlonipha nina till namhlanje nizomhlonipha. Ayina choice mele you must ngenkani futhi. Ngenkani. Awuboza yaka title gifter of the cookies, title gifter of the everything of the sis. Kanti wayibe ngasifakela amadlavu ku gallery. Sikwazi kwakhanyisa fast ngoba ngathi yiwo sidume ngawo. Sithi jump sithi jump. Ay sithi jump. Ay sithi jump. Ay sithi jump. Ay thina sithi jump. Thina vele sithi jump. Phezu kwabo ngedlavu Nkosi yami amanje asanishaya. Guys edlavini. Net 3-4 donuts on the glove. Guys edlavini. Guys on the glove. Oh shit. It didn't hit. Ayishayanga Nkosi yami Thabza ayishayanga inendawo. Hey ngabe ishayile Nkosi yami ngabe nisenkinge ayishayanga idlava indlava leli fresh. Yes. Mara kusena ndaba Thabza pose yami amadanko bhuti wami. Amadanko Nkosi yami asazi ukuthi next match bazofuna ungenzani. Phela laba bahlezi bengimakhile Nkosi yami previsa ubona njani. Ay Thabza ngalifake ngabe silifake kule next game nje yi1 phela mara kusena ndaba on the club. What the club? Shit. Ishayile Nkosi yami alishayile this time. It was very fresh this one. Ishayile score for entire life for fucking shit. Zanishaya. Thabela uzonishaya Nkosi yami noma ningathini. Back upfront koma side ngwawela ngiyabonga Thabza.
Thank you nokuthula Nkonzo Brighton.
Thank
you so much guys. Siyabonga.
Oh simpiwe iyenda amazi.
Thank you.
Uyayiposta nje
ukukhuluma manje. Ula kusethe.
Thank you so much people.
Boy,
because mangithi ngiyakhuluma sebakade times 2. Bye guys.
Guys. We are times 2.
Where's guys first 20 times 2. Aseningangishaya ke.
People.
Ipose yami mhlambe ngathi seyihambile Nkosi yami seningasala ningidumula.
Hayi si mama.
Guys first guys. Ninga relax kakhulu nizothula.
Thank you Isabel.
Time 2 guys.
Guys first give 20 times 2. Ninga relax nizothula.
Time 2 guys.
Guys first give 20 times 2.
Time 2.
Guys first give 20 times 2. Ninga relax nizothula.
Uphongo uyadliwa la times 2. Times 2.
Isabel, we're gonna level up. Let's go, Queen. Congrats.
Mara yazi nina you don't listen. Sikhathi ningishaya. Nginitshelile ngathi my gifter is driving usayendlini. He is coming back in a thing that I'm like.
Singena.
La kazange sikubuze yo.
Wamemeza kangaka singena phi?
Hayi. Esisani shukela. Phuzana manzane shukela nesisi.
Wena umele ube nomjabulela ayithi.
Driving singena phi thina lapha?
Singena phi thina? Where do we enter?
Phuzana manzane noshukela Nkosi yami.
Wena umgezisayo.
Hayi sukela iphelile.
Ngithi ngiphelile usayogezisa inyawo. One Rosa people.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed. Thinking on a daily gift, I'm is fine. Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed, to fools as if you don't forget the rose best activate the speed.
One rose, guys. Anyone all the rose people.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed.
One rose.
Rose blessing are extended. We still want to say again.
Sonkomo now, say we.
Awu, matubandlela ngiyabonga Nkosi yami ngama rose. Awuzokwenzani usonkomo?
Uzokwenzani usonkomo? Uza kutrapa. I-live yonke lokhu ukhuluma ngayo usonkomo.
Ngiyamfuna. Bengimfuna manje.
Times 2 guys.
Try to reach 500.
Guys on the double.
Inkinga ngisebenzayo. Times 2
Guys
guys.
everyone on the time 2. Simsabi thina. Guys everyone on the time 2. Taphelo ngabo businessmen abasebenza abathembanga isalary businessmen honor ama business.
Usonkomo uthemba isalary.
Anyway, thank
Times
you.
2.
Andi bakathi usemsebenzini.
Times 2 guys. Times 2.
Pero
Play
thabla
together.
kahle manje isalary. Uyena obhadala abantu isalary.
Sonkomo. Wangenza ngaba umuntu ngiyabonga
Congratulations. I am tired.
awuzithole njani? Hawu kodwa uNkulunkulu wami ayabona lo mfana umdlise ngamapipe live yonke siziyophele lokho esithi sonkomo. Lokho esithi sonkomo noma ungekho sonkomo ukhuluma ngawo sonkomo. Nangu seze wabuya usonkomo. Hey usonkomo. Hey usonkomo. Awukhulumi ngabanye usonkomo kuphela. Dlisa ngamapipe ne? Shem. Sozohamba nini? Yeah. Lucky G. Lucky Jenzo. Where is your man now? Ake ngikhulume nzima phela ngoThaphela ngoba phela vele uThaphela antu uyakuzama. Antu umgezisa inyawo uzuthi la uthi azo ku gift. Yamkhothamela. Why memeze enye indoda kabuhlungu kanje? Thaphela! Hawu, you mustn't scream ndoda. Uyadlisa team igender kadam yadliwa mfethu. Take it easy. Slow. Don't rush. Ungamemeze enye indoda uscream azaza la azaza. Hawu, ithini umele screaming abantu besilisa? Hayikhona ukuthi isilisa screaming isilisa. Hayi uthi ngikhuluma kahle. But just nje kukuletha ukuthi ube kwazi ukuthi khulumela phansi. Ngiyabonga Thaphela. Hayi ukuthi kuze kube ngathi nje. Hey, Thaphela! Hawu, come on. Shame ngalo. But kuyatholakala vele anti vele nje kunjalo. Impilo evela asifanani phela singabaye amadoda ayascream. Just because uthi you are not used to it, ne? Imvela kancane. Awubona thina sibabiza inzimo osonkomo. Sehlisa ivolume. Baba usonkomo ishone njani? Yabo? Hayi nje. Kube ngani uzagenqa ifoni ichitheke iscreen. Inki ichithekele phakathi lokho memeza. Anyway, it's okay. Akufani guys.
We.
Kutholile kodwa kusana.
Yabona i-streaming sifana negame yebhola yabo. Igame umuntu bakudlalela kamnandi you scream. I-player mali kudlalela kamnandi you scream. Akunandaba uyintombazana. Yindoda you scream my player idlala kamnandi.
Thaphela uzobuya kimi ngutshela yabo
angeke khuleka. Ngiyayibhoza angeke abuye kuwe. Yayibhoza ngithembheja ngaye lo uyahamba lo muntu. Ikinga umuntu oflyayo abantu abaflyayo bahlupha.
Yeah,
umuntu
njalo
oflyayo.
Yabo so
Engayabuya.
understand indlela oyepi ngayo yabo. Uthi
Nama
uyafika.
sonkomo ngiyama understand yabo. Ukuthi waye umhloniphe yalizwe igama lakho na so nkomo baboshadile. Sonkomo.
Yeah, time to nesithunzi. Times 3 guys.
Not first give 20 times 3. Maruzo Butapelo related to Komodo to that Juna.
Times 3 guys. Times 3 guys. Times 3. Let's play together on the speed, guys. Times 3. We play on the game. Let's bring the match.
Guys, thank you. Thank you for trying so hard for me.
We all tap, guys. How?
Thank you.
Let's play together, people.
Guys, can you all play?
Thank you guys.
Activate speed ngama-donuts, guys.
Oh shit,
That's so give my faith.
sengikhohlwa nokufaka ifoni yami echarging sengibona ngayo manje ithi 20%. Hey benyobona ngayo sokufeli uThapelo ngoba uthi usageza uyabuya zonishaya futhi.
Boss, can we please tap the screen? Let's tap. Let's tap the screen, guys.
Mamo.
We have another times 3, guys. Let's go.
Let's play together, guys. Say activate speed times 3, guys. Say activate one rosa, guys. One rose, people. 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 One rose. Danko Sonko. Danko, Ndotehloniphekayo. Danko, Danko, Ndotengatholakali nje everywhere. Mhlonishwa.
One rose, guys.
Hey, let's play together, guys. Let's all tap, guys. It's times 3, guys. Here's the times 3, guys. Why is it the times 3? We play together, guys. Times 3. Ali baby, don't post a let's play together, guys. It's times 3, guys. It's times 3. Times 3, times 3. Sonkomo! How? What does Magati? Hey, Lucky. Shame. Usekakhala unjalo phela like mayibona mina into zami zihamba kahle. Usekacatshile uhamba uyofonela uThapelo ngabantu rapha buyi uyadefela enye indoda. Ozotapela. Seqalile umamolo Sonkomo wakhe. Shame. Injalo vele game. Niyabaleka sesimchaye wabaleka. Shame. Hayi. Uzanje vele ayikho nje into engakuthuka zobe ngikohada kanjani vele uzothi usone gift uthi ngiphinde ngikhulume nawe kanzima. Hey Mrs Studio, how far ithini ingoma? Elwazi I wonder iculo ofuna ukuyenza lapho nje studio. Kubone nje suseqayeqa lapha subhizi ungathi ufuna ukuthweka ama gift data asizingeni lezo. Gift data asizingeni lezo. We Zandi my girl. You're on 3. Wena yeke lokhu ukuhleka la yeke lokhu uhleka. Select glove, guys. We play on the glove, guys. Connect glove, guys. Glove, guys. Melody 7 the glove, guys. Sposa noma yilapho shame lucky. Ubusuyofonela uTabs uthi hoza ndoda lapha sefikile uSonkomo. Shame. Shame. Let's play together, guys. Posani ku glove, guys. Ngivele ukuthi share kube mnyama screen sonke nje singabonakala. Babe sebebona nzima nje basebebona intuthu. Yabo? Shame. Bakithi. Lucky. Hayi Lucky hlala kahle phela.
Ngisanwaya.
Hayi unwaya. Ugcineni ukugeza. Ugcineni ukugeza.
Izolo.
Kodwa ubuke kanje ngathi ule viki nje amanzi ungawathenga.
Angwathanda.
Ezolo ngizwa ngawe le. Hey, impukane sezifika ngapha Nkosi yami siphi spray sami sasetidumu Nkosi. Yo. Shame. Yo, manje into ezoyithini yona le? Impukane zakho sezibuya ngaso ungcolisa iTikTok yonke. Shame. Lwazi? Are you there, mama? Asikwe studio lapha sisegemini mommy. Ubusuhlanya lapha ngoshuga wakho. Waphela nje ngathi umlilo wamaphepha.
Thank you guys to everyone who was tapping the screen because ne. Ngingabi ne-worry even though if you are losing.
Hoy Sonkomo shame ngenza ngibe ngifile blessed yazini. Ufika kwakho kuyawenza umehluko. Ule boosting glove again. Sonkomo inkosi kubusise shame. Ungahlali iduze komlilo ngoba uzanishela. Yo. Nzima, Brighton, Lerato, Billy,
Guys, thank you to everyone who was tapping. Guys, can we try, ne? Bahlekisa ngathi la, can we try, ne?
Kumnandi kungohlekisa ngathi ani busithi siyo stream emgwaqweni lapha sithola amadodana emoto. Kade sesistreamisa wena phela ngoba nango phela wena uyicherry kaka. Ngoba wena uyicherry kaka girlfriend thambani lo muntu wakho lo.
Akhohlwa kule.
Thambani uThabza, Thapelo. Muntu
Yayiphoza. Yayiphoza ningasukela ibhoza. Don't start with the phoza, ningasukela ibhoza.
×2. Hayi phela lathi ungasukela abantu bethu Themba uthi ibhoza kuwe noTikithi. It's your boss. Phela manje sithi jump uthi how high uwe nothi thina. We don't enter anywhere. That's none of our business. Let's play together, guys. Let's play together, guys. Yeah, ×2. Let's play together, guys. Kumnandi wena kusukela amabhosi abanye mase sukele yakho wena susu.
Relax Ntombo, sokhuluma sonke size sithi halala.
I'm relaxed. Mina noma efikile ubhosi wakho ngiyathula.
Akusiyo yodwa phela ibhosi, amaningi amabhosi.
Lawo maningi amabhosi. It's not that uthi you-one. We got a lot of bosses. You see? Yeah, understand that? Ukuthi nje abantu labana ababhizi kade sibabhizi nje ngento ze-meeting and stuff yabo thina silana phela ukuthola kufani yabo.
Yes, fana namabhosi awethu, their business yabo basema-laptopini.
Awethu angena gqoka uTikTok nje. Asoba abantu abatshona bekwa-TikTok yabo. One rosa people.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate this speed? Guys, anyone with a rose to activate this speed? Guys, can you all tap?
One rose people. Only one rose. Activate speed is got ×2. Oh, ngiyabonga shem. Kosibusise mhlonitshwa. Methulelwa sigqoko. Akodwa uNkulunkulu wami. Shem kalokho. Igame imnandi makuwina omunye ne. Glove. Masithi ×2 guys. Wesa. Masithi ×2 guys ithi yaphosela. Ngathi ngiyahishwa seningathi hey dark chocolate ukhona na. How? Let's play together guys. Masithi let's play together guys. Let's play together guys. Let's play together. Let's play together guys. Your pay glove lam because something ngasebenzanga ×2 anyway. It's okay.
Ihlava kusiyigift batshele ne.
×2.
Ihlava kusiyigift batshele.
×2 guys.
Muzisa ubona njani?
Uthini Leslie Lwazi.
Hayi ngikhuluma nabantu bami ngapha.
×2 people.
Batshele bekele ukulunguza.
×2 people.
Ngelanga bazokuthola ustream ungqono.
Let's play together people.
Oh, thank you Poppy. Ngiyabonga ngeRose Poppies. Guys, can you all tap uhle?
Let's play together people. Let's all tap guys. Let's all share the live. Let's all double tap guys. Manduza na Leslie Dupes. Thank you so much for the rose. Let's all tap.
Thank you for the taps. Thank you.
Lwazi awususa ingoma yakho iphekayo lapha.
Ngiyabonga sisona.
Lwazi awususa ingoma iphekayo lapha.
Hello mama, kunjani ngomba tani njalo?
Let's play together guys.
For the popular.
Thanks for the follow now, SC. Let's play together, people.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, you are not even tapping the screen. Tap abantu abayi-3 nje kuphela. Ngiyabonga for tapping. Guys, anyone with a snipe of a hand at your money card.
Yo, in 2 weeks.
Let's play together,
I'll
guys.
check you on WhatsApp, sis. Are you okay?
Ubani?
You should also slam.
Emna semphathwa ukuthi kanti bembona ukuthi 11. That's why.
Awuzandi mazandisi muthwaka bani.
Okay.
Muthwaka.
Sizakhuluma ku-WhatsApp sis. Hi Len, how are you?
Ubani Mama KZN, thanks for this
Angikhulumi nawe, ubani angikhulumi nawe man. Hawu.
Yime ngikhuluma nawe Zandi ngithi Zandi muthwaka.
Ubani ngikhuluma nawe
Yime
section
ngikhuluma
yami.
nawe. Yekela umama yime ngikhuluma
Thank you
nawe.
sis wami.
Why uziba indaba ekuningithi Zandi muthwaka uyangiziba.
Ngikhuluma nawe Mazandi. It's your boyfriend, yeah?
Yes, it's me. It's me. Awusangifuni.
House next
Lokuthi it's not that it's off. Akusi off. Yabo.
Guys, let's play together, guys. Times 2 people.
How
Times two,
butterfly
guys.
sawubona unjani? Guys, first gift on the times 2.
Times 2, guys.
Guys, first gift on the times 2.
Times 2.
How are you?
Times
Butterfly.
Times 2. Times 2.
Guys, first gift on the times 2.
Times 2 people. Times 2. Times 2. Times 2.
Abantu.
Times 2. Times 2. Times 2.
Guys, first gift on the times 2. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, first gift on the times 2.
Thanks for the follow, Mamani. Ulwazi usestudio busy nkosi yami.
Ya mhlambe ngastike studio uzoba right yabo.
Uqalile ukusukela omunye laphi? Bayijabulile. We all love you. I love you. We love you.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Guys, what time 3 say activate guys the speed is that time.
Guys, we are going on the triples. Now, guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, can you try to activate the time, please? My friendship needless nama cake.
One rosa, guys. One rose. People.
What's uzobonga ama cake ngapha? Guys, anyone with a
One
rose
rose
to
people.
activate this?
Basic Vase.
Ngikalani one rose people.
Thank you, Basic Vase.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate this speed?
One rose people.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate? Guys, can you all
One
tap?
rose,
Guys,
guys,
anyone
please.
with a finger
Can
heart
we
to
have
activate the
one
time
One
three?
rose people.
Guys, anyone with
Hi,
a rose to
Basic
activate the time
Vase,
three?
the famous
One rose,
emperor. Welcome in.
Yes,
Guys,
I'm
I
a
need to
brother.
punish them, please.
One rose.
One rose, guys.
One rose,
to take
people.
the speed, and we give them their punishment.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed?
One roro. One roro people.
Guys, we've been punished for a longest time today. Thank you, Basic Vase.
One rose people. Let's play together, guys.
Thank you, Basic Vase.
Guys, can you all tap? Uhle, Lwazi is beating us. Lwazi is beating us, Uhle.
Let's
Can you
play
all
together,
Please,
people.
guys, can we get to 1K? Can we get to 1K on times 3? Let's do the
Let's
triple.
go, people. Can we get on 1,500?
Thank you, Sima.
Bakwatile abantu bakalazi.
Thank you so much.
Guys, can you all tap? Uhle. What's basuse kuma rankings? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Times 2, people. Hi.
Let's push, guys. Let's go.
Guys, can you all tap? Okonje kusasa igallery ya refresh nkosi yami ayi inkinga yodwa le.
Indaba.
King gallery my refresh azikubhora njani mara mamo? Okuyabhora shem.
Kodwa mina kunezinto eziningi engazaziyo ngeTikTok. Ungitshele kwabe phambana.
Phela. Angie wa MP, how are you? How are you, Angie, my Angie wa MP? How are you? How are you doing? Guys, can you all tap the screen? Like sasa yabo isanda ngisho. 12:30. Konke lokho amagalaxy okukhanyile konke nama-diving kuyacima kusasa. 12:30. Yabo. So wena ungastreama tot 12:30. Mayicima. kwaba nomuntu ozokushaya ngama-8 after leso sikhathi ayaqala akhanya seyimande vele already seyiqalile igallery yakhanya yabo kwaba nomuntu ozokushaya ama-100 noma
Litho,
azokala
thank you
akhanyile
for-
ngaleyo
for
sande
training,
yasebusuku uvuka mande wena sowukhanyisile vele yabo ya
So kusasa kamele ngene ku-live.
kumele ustreame kusasa and yabona plus yabo kusasa vele yabo every Sunday vele there is like fana ne-payday yaku-TikTok yabo kuya ukuthi wena
Bese
ustreama
malini
kangakanani
epa.
yabo like ukuwabona uma uqeda ku-streama mamo like ikukhomba ibalance yama-coins wakho bese kukhona enye ibalance ebaseceleni awukasuyibona
Thank you.
Yake ngiyibonile ya.
yabona leyo imali oyithola every Sunday ngo-12 that's why uthothi uma ulele ngeSunday noma
So uma
ungastreamanga
ungakwanisanga alright njengoba mina ungakwanisanga ukufika ku-total 15 abakunikezi.
relax ngizakuchazela lalela mina
Yeah.
nithi angithi manje uzophuma izokhiphela i-total yama-coins bese kunebalance eseceleni uma iceda ukhiphe yabo le balance eseceleni uyithola every Sunday ngo-12 every Sunday noma ungastreamanga that's why uthola ukuthi mhlambe uma ngabe ulalile Sunday early uma uvuka ekuseni uthola kune-notification yokuthi TikTok has added or 5 rand or 2 rand something into ezifana nalezo.
Oh, okay, my brother. Now I understand.
Oh,
Yeah,
Cameron
ukuthi-
is here.
asinandaba
Litho, ngicela ungigifte. Litho, ngicela ungigifte ngizilalele. It's my last game, guys. Sengiyalala hayi ngokutho. Time 2. Litho.
yabona mama noma
Let's give
ungastreama
some time to
mama
guys.
ngizokutshela yabona noma ungastream ungavumi ukuya ku-C no D dlalela ku-B so B 1 2 3 4 5 ungayi ku-C no D ungaya ku-C akekho umuntu ozofuna ukudlala nawe
Alright.
kumele uthole laba abantwana abazojabulela iDonald ngathi oro kunjani yabo
Guys, let's go.
uthola ukuthi igallery yazi igallery yabifunani ku-C amafinger athi right 10 idla igift yokugcina mhlawumbe yabe yimanigani
Yo.
angeke usathi noma bengakushaya ngegalaxy ingekho lapho hayi is useless
Yo, Nkosi yami.
yabona manje mama wena right so ku-B yabo uku-B3 mhlambe imayichange kusasa imayichange kusasa after 12 ngavika ufake ku-B2 ngoba wena bawugiftwa kakhulu ngakufaka ku-B2 Yabo. bese mina nozandi siku-B2
Let's
sonke
go,
yabo
guys. Tap the screen.
or mhlawumbe uma ngabe siyayiluza i-fragment kusasa ingasibisela ku-B3 or sisale khona ku-B2 or siye ku-B1 ulwazi engenzeke ebuye kithi
Ngizabanga
ku-B2
uP1 mthela ama-fragment ayi-2.
awu yabo sekaku-B1 already
1 rose, guys.
ulwazi ungenzeka sibe nayo ku-B2
Okay, yo, I understand. Kani Rose eli-1 guys.
anyone with a rose to advert this bit
Ungabuyele emuva singabi kubo B what sibuye kube siya phambili.
Ungakhaleli ukuya
Mina
ku-A.
bengakazi understand my brother lezi zinto zabo.
uyabona ilevel kasmile u-A iyanyisa ke le yanyisa u-A ungakhaleli ukuya khona kuyanyiwa and leya noma ingathi 15 ku-15 yakhona kunama-gift ongakasiwathole nawe kunabo-universe nabo-lion
Thank you.
Okay guys.
ya olwazi babuya khona nabozandi babuze ukuthi kunjani ku-A
Oh bebe kubo A.
babuya khona yabona ku-B kumnandi kakhulu mina noma ngadliwa ukuthi i-fragment ingayiluza noma ngathi B4 as long ku-B kuphela
Anti.
yabona kufana nami I know ukuthi ngizobe ngu-B1 kusasa mayi-restarta obvious ngizoba ku-B1 ngoba kusasa ekuseni ngizostreama futhi yabo nantambama
Ngiyangena lawe ekseni.
ya ekuseni
Alright.
mara ngo-10 ngoba ikuvuka kwakhona nkosi yami yazi namhlanje mvuke nzima ngithe ngiceda kuphaphama ifoni iring ulwazi angifonela kutheni sekazoshaya nangapha bezivumele
Alright.
Thank you for the happy.
and yazi ikuseni inceda ngani mama ikuseni inceda ukuthi intambama ungabi nepressure eningi yabo
Yeah.
ukuthi ukhalela ukuseva nani ekuseni noma bengakufikisa ehafi intambama sowuhleli nje yena lezo bingenile or ekuseni uyaba nenhlanhla i-fragment uvele useve kusasa ekuseni amagame yabona njengale smoke obonaso ekuseni uyisevile i-fragment ngale smoke sabo sankomozi ushaye kakhulu bovele manje nanoma sebedlala usafe yabo
So ngena kusasa ke ngo-10.
yabo ngoba kokunye mamo akusimnandi usidlale nawe kokunye yabo ungakwazi umane fana noTebo yabona uTebo umngani wethu uTebo
Thank you.
yakusethela kanandaba ne-fragment ukuthi uyangena uyakhupha uyahlika yena ufuna ukuwina kuphela noma imani gane esilonga ngawinini yabo
Phela sinabantu lesingakwazi like siphonga udlala.
mara wena mamo okunye sowukwazi ngoba at least uyakwazi ukuwatshela ama-gift ngicela ningisendele i-hearts
Lo kana sengikwazi.
cela ningisendele i-donut shoda ngengaki yabo abanye abanandaba vele i-gift sometimes yafika ushaye nga-2 yamakhokhi kufuneka 3 bese wena uyathula ikushaye ngemanigani ulokhu uthulile ujabula itshele i-gift ekufakela amakhokhi ukuthi gift yami zibani banyana cela ungifakele ikhokhi yokugcina ikhanya ngoba uzokufakela 2 yamakhokhi aceda afake imanigani and imanigani ngamakhokhi ayi-2 futhi ayibona
I understand now. Okay. Akusasa ngizongena lani ngo-10. Okay, good night. Zandi, good night, my sister.
Alright, Shami, sokuceda ngizoku-WhatsApp
ungu-WhatsApp ekuseni.
yabona olwazi bayalala basevile i-fragment nawe uyalala nisevile ni right lwazi sisonke ekuseni ngo-10 noma
Hayi cha iSunday kusasa phela.
i-Sunday is the best nje
Sunday isebenza kahle ntambama.
khona omunye bathi u-CPT uthi uyakufanisa i-Sunday right nasekuseni mfethu Sunday boyizama i-Sunday kuseni you must try them Sundays you see you will thank me later
Jesus.
yabe kuscreama wena uthi let's go mina sengithulile Nthabi my queen inkosi yami ungayenzi so udlula njengeflyist la kimi manje Nthabi so udlula njengeflyist manje Nthabi mara Nthabi yazini khona indaba engangiphathi kahle wenze kahle wafika nkosi yami wena Nthabi oh shit Nthabi with them popular Nthabi khona indaba engangiphathi kahle wenze kahle wafika wena ngikuthembile Nthabi ngithi umuntu wami kanti wena so yofense uchiki manje uchiki sathi Nthabi bangasafuni ngihambe bese nenzanani lapho nochiki Nthabi bese nenzanani lapho umuntu sekakhulile sengikwazi ukuphuza amanzi noma nge-weekend Nthabi guys can you all tap the screen and share the live ayisengimangele nkosi yami uthi njani manje mina ngoba mina ngithona umuntu wami manje sohlangana no-Ali Joy futhi seniyothenga amabheka nani yazini same day inkinga uzange wavela ngicela ungifakele i-popular vote yabo activate ispeed bese siyacoca ngicela ungifake ngiyabonga Nthabi for activating the speed yazi same day sicoca angilalanga kahle shem ngasho ukuthi njani manje uNthabi yazi uyangibetray Nthabi you betraying me no it's fine Nthabi I understand relax
User, thank you user.
Nasengimangela ukuthi hawu bangibetray manje mara ngiyazi wena ngibheja ngaba ngeke ukwenze lokho wayengishaya la man guys can you all tap the screen and share the live guys ngicela ku-second ku-speed nesike singeneni ku-100 inkosi yami kunini lokhu sishawa since emicaleni
Hello. How are you? Guys, let's tap the screen.
yabona i-Saturday tricky nayo yabona ngale nkathi kuba ngathi sokubhora after 12 sokuthi uzogcwala
Anything on times 2 guys.
Nthabi my queen of the quiz Nthabi ayisiya ku-100 manje nkosi yami yabe ngiqala ungena ku-100 since ngiqalile ku-stream Nthabi ngiyabonga sithandwa sami. Thabona. Shit. Nthabi. Thank you my queen Nkosi yami. Angaze ngangena ku-100. Cabanga Nthabi ngiyacela ungena u-100. Nthabi with a rose. Thank you Nthabi. Wena isithandwa sangempela. Ngiyaqala ungena u-100 solo ngiqala ku-stream. Yongigcina bo-47, 30 something, 60 something, 40. Sengathi umngane yesikolo. Nthabi, Sub-Zero reached number level 15. How am I level 15 in that? I will tell kid in fact to tap his screen so cool. Tap his screen. Lwasengule sengikwazi uphuza amanzi ngeweekend awungishayela izandla. Awupress i-sound yezandla la. Ungishayela.
Uthi yenzani lakhe?
Yeah?
Uthi 100 yenzani?
Ngikhuluma ngolwazi. Sengikwazi uphuza amanzi ngeweekend ngishayela izandla. Funa le sound yezandla ungishayele mfethu hayi ngeke.
Anayo.
Amajuzi nginawo ukudesha mara into yokudesha yona ayikho. Sengiphuza wona kuphela ukudesha.
Guys, let's go.
Angishayela izandla mngane ngikukhulula ngizaphuza. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Utshwala is not everything. Thank you Nthabi Nkosi yami wazwa ngenza umuntu ngiyaqala ukufika ku-100 solo ngiqalile ukustream.
Yabo, Nomthembo, hello.
Siwelele ho. Zinamanamo siwelele ho. Zinamanamo siwelele ha. Zinamanamo sikwethile ha. Thina lo mhlaba sugethile ha. Thina lo mhlaba sugezile ha. Thina lo mhlaba.
Go!
How Nthabi basnipe game Nthabi they sniped our game Nkosi yami. Shit. Shit, basnipe ngama-taps Nkosi yami. Thank you Nthabi. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen. Shit.
Loze bathi ndaphe ngama-steps.
Obvious. Bheka iscore zani.
Bathi 100 bayaqala ukufika kuye bathi.
Bheka iscore zani.
I-hand heart tshele.
Bheka iscore zani. Ungathi uwine ngani? Bheka 114 umntwazi number 1 number 2 ngama-taps.
Sifake i-hand hearts. No.
Mara kuze sithi ube unumber 1 wena suku 114 sonke ngama-taps.
Shame. Best gift la. Yabo befakile ama-hand hearts
Nthabi ubonile bafuna uqala nge-hand ne. Nthabi sokhona umuntu osnipe nge-hand uthi uyoqala ngayo ku-times 2. Uzobona I know them. Uyoqala ngayo ku-times 2. Abathi hayi thina lo mhlaba. Hayi thina.
Ungenile live.
Yeah, ube late mara uZimbo uyakhuluma manje.
Kana beqala i-ceremony.
Angalaleli ngoba ngoluzi focus la.
Guys, tap the screen guys, let's go.
Abantu bathadansa uZimba akafuni. Batavula ikamera jayo.
Ezimba yathukana ezimba.
Amara kuScar soft, uScar umthatha njengomntwana akabhedi maka kuScar.
Usho ukuthi ungahluleka ukudlala naye, uwina ngapha.
Uzimba mama ngamwina angangiblock. Wamwina kakhulu uyakublock uZimba.
Ufuna uloka
apho abamfaka abathele the way baphuwa ngakhona.
Athuke.
Uthuka belipaka. Makadliwa wahleka or wafaka irose uyakublocka nawe safu umuntu wakhe lapha ku live stream yakhe. Athi ibilo ubhala yabana la sticker lawo athi if you are poor don't come.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed in Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed. Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed.
I'm Pasi, how are you?
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed. Anyone with a rose. Ooh, Mr. CJ. Mr. CJ Cashman, thank you. Thank you, Mr. CJ, for activating the speed. I've been losing a lot in Kosiam. Guys, on the triples. Guys, anyone with a big gift on the times 3. Guys, a Donald, a Henda, a Chetan Mustache, or a Manican on the times 3. Guys, any gift on the triples in Kosiam. Guys, any big gift on the times 3. Guys, we are losing, shame. Hayi kulo mhlaba sijengile. Hayi thina lo mhlaba. Hayi thina lo mhlaba. Yazi times 3 ibhlungu njani uthi si-activate masiceda singayidlali. Hayi thina lo mhlaba. Hayi thina lo mhlaba sugezile. Hayi thina lo mhlaba sugezile. Thina lo mhlaba sugezile. Hayi thina lo mhlaba. Hayi thina lo mhlaba. Bathi angalilo mama. Angibona nginje angalilo mama. Ngisenza kanje ingane yakhe. Imuhle kanje.
Qalile TikTok. Ay. Mele ngenzeni ngirase ukuthi ngilana.
Abaso. Bathi nikada bafanike kelo. Oh, alambile.
No, thank you.
Abogela abaningi baseround la bathi ngibaphele skipper lesi ngathi ngesabafazi. Angithi le pink yarasa le yabo. Outstanding. Mangivela from a distance woke umuntu asimbani weskipa esipink. Futhi mina ime ngafanelwa amapinki lezi. Ayime ngafanelwa uba amapinki pinki ne. Lesi sifuna ku-event ke uzorecognize ka fast. Ubhuti weskipa esipinki. Mawuthi sithe bathi nanya le. Uthi sithe bathi nanya le. Shizani ngeke ukumereke wena usesilahlekele ku-event. Umani wenze so ikhanda noma umfishane uyobona ngepinki ithi sithe. Uthi nango ubhuti uMatango.
Hi guys, Papa Adrian ngiyahamba.
No, it's fine lazathi nasobona
Mina
sathi.
ukuhlala nje ngo-12 ngibona ukuthi ama-fragment wami ngisayowathola woyi-2 na. Mara lo wena ngithola 1 or 2 ngiya ku-B1 ngoba ngishoda nga-1 ukuthi ngiye ku-B1.
Navele namfuna ukuya ku-B1. I'm fighting to go to B1.
Uzowathola.
Lwaziyolala ubuyela vele uyobabhizi ngemusic.
Bang-overtake ku-League B2 sengunumber 25 bengu-14 sengu-25.
Oh, mina ngunumber 62.
U-B2.
Kuraf. Ene isikhathi kuvela uTabza bengekho nakurina kuma-rankings ingabalwa. Washaya athi top bani yagcina ithi number 97. Ngamtshela ngathi njengoba unumber 97 ngikhuphula washaya ngishaya unumber 82 wahamba wathi I'm driving ngizothi mangifika home. Ile sikhathi sengisithulile nifika ningishaya lapho. Futhi bese akafikile home wabona ukuthi at least wangishaya ku-number 60 manje lokuba ngi-overtake sengu-62 ngathi ngathola umuntu ozobuya ngiqhuvuzele ngidlale noZandi ngibe kuZandi top 20 something na top bani Zandi 27
Alright, guys, good night.
as long as top 20 something is fine. Bye Lwazi. Ube right yezo. Phuza umpupudlo ne. Akho uphuza umpupudlo ne.
She. Oh. She. Oh. Oh, I know Pupuzo. I know Pupuzo needed. She.
Capfin loan to make 2026 moves today and stand to win 15,000 Rand. To enter, get a Capfin loan online or visit any PEP or Acumen store. Plan smart, think Capfin.
Mina, guys, I'm no longer playing matches. I'm tired of you. I want new friends. I want new friends. Hi, Nina. Oh, young Tarzan. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Tell you was smiling. Pangwa. Kumnandilana. I was fine. Skip the charger, so let's once again. Yeah, Bonga, thank you. Musa wahamba bangishaya. Ngaze ngaba sad ngashiya amagame wonke. I'm not playing with anyone now. Oh Malone, no Malone. Oh fantastic, oh I like you. I was falling. Guys, tap the screen for me. I want to give 100,000. Ban lo kumele ngisearch. Ban lo cause chill. Not only me. To you, my God. I'm working here. Hey, Shubhasyan. I'm feeling it tonight. Yeah, I'll bring you. What's the OTP? Where is my girl? I'm working. So I find out ezinye izinto. I dedicate my life to you, my son. I must come to Senegal. What's happening in Senegal? Oh, Antonio, I'm blocking. But I'm blocking you. They muted him, Colin. So it's better we block him. Oh. Not only me. Everyone tap the screen for me, guys. Be my G, be my G. Okay, while in search a color on the phone, I can search logo. What's in search a bunny? Be my G, be my G. Oh, good evening, good evening. How are you guys?
Every new release starts the same way. Just me in a room trying to figure out how I feel. I'll be surrounded by pages, voice notes, bits of melodies, every track in a new energy, a new vibe. I never really know what will come out. The magic of creating is when something personal becomes
Work
something
today, it was
everyone can
okay.
feel. And suddenly, it's not just a song,
I'm doing good, thank you.
Life promises nothing but change. Support those you love with life-changing insurance.
Injabulo. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you, thank you. Hey, hey, hey. Everyone tap the screen, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I will have to love and leave you. Are you calling down? So just
Imagine being able to build an app with your name
Hey, Papa, guys. Hey, you guys don't want to tap for me. You guys don't want to do anything. Yeah, man. And I literally don't know what's keeping you here with me. Because I don't see it.